Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be comparing Nordvpn against Expressvpn. Now keep in mind, these are two of the best VPNs out there in the market and they both have very similar range of services. Now, we're going to open up this comparative chart here for easy understanding. As you can see here, NordVPN is slightly cheaper than ExpressVPN, especially if you buy a 1 year or 2 year bundle for NordVPN. They both have very similar encryption types. As you can see, NordVPN has a much wider server network. They both have different origins of jurisdiction. And as you can see here, the compatible platforms for both ExpressVPN and NordVPN are quite similar. Now, for those who prefer a more user-friendly type of environment, ExpressVPN would be the one for you. And for those who prefer a more purposeful type of application, NordVPN would be the choice for you, as ExpressVPN is considered more beginner friendly. NordVPN also has a unique feature called double VPN, which allows you to have double security, double encryption, which is quite useful for people who value their privacy, as compared to ExpressVPN, which is more of a beginner friendly and intermediate type of VPN, which just gives you simple privacy and simple encryption. I hope this video was informative. Thank you for watching.